Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode on Let's Revise 5 marks questions on complete syllabus. This is the part 6. Previously we have uploaded 5 parts and the links of all these 5 parts are provided in the description box, and you can go through all these parts so that the idea that which types of questions will be asked for the 5 marks that you will get, and also how to deal with such questions. I also request you to download the study material from the description box. Now let us move to the first question of this episode. Here is a question on the screen. If S is a point on the side PQ of triangle PQR such that PS is equal to QS is equal to RS, then prove that PR square plus QR square is equal to PQ square. Friends, here it is given that in triangle PQR, on side PQ there is a point S such that PS is equal to SQ is equal to SR. All these 3 line segments are of equal length. PS, this line segment, SQ and SR, all these 3 are equal, and we have to prove that PR square, this is PR square plus QR square, which is equal to PQ square. Friends, this we can prove if this angle is 90 degree, correct? If this angle is 90 degree, then we can apply the Pythagoras theorem and show that the square of the hypotenuse, that is PQ square, which is equal to PR square plus QR square. So first we will try to show that this angle is 90 degree. So for that we will see that in triangle SQR, in this triangle, this SQ is equal to SR. These 2 sides are equal, and therefore the angles opposite to equal sides will also be equal, and so we can say that angle Q is equal to angle R. These 2 angles are equal. Similarly, in triangle SPR, in this triangle, in triangle SPR, this SR is equal to SP, this is given. So this and these 2 sides are equal, and therefore the angles opposite to this equal sides will also be equal, and therefore this angle P and this angle R, these 2 angles are equal. I write up to this. So in triangle SQR, in triangle SQR, here in this triangle SQR, SQ is equal to SR, SQ, that is equal to SR. This is given, and therefore angle, this angle, that is SQR, angle SQR, which is equal to angle SRQ, SRQ. The reason is what? Angles opposite to equal sides. Angles opposite to equal sides. So let this be number 1. Similarly, in this triangle SPR, in triangle SPR, here SP is equal to SR, that is given. SP is equal to SR, that is given, and so angle SPR, which is equal to angle PRS, angle PRS. Let this be number 2, and the reason that angles opposite to equal sides. So here, now we will take this triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, the sum of the 3 angles is always 180 degree. So this angle P plus angle Q plus angle R, that will be equal to 0. So here we will solve it like this. In triangle PQR, here angle PQR plus angle QPR plus this angle PRQ plus which is equal to 180 degrees, reason angle sum property of a triangle. But here if you see that this angle R, PRQ, this angle can be written as angle SRQ plus angle PRS. So this PRQ I write as angle SRQ plus PRS. So here angle PQR plus angle QPR plus this I am writing as a sum of these two angles. So it will be angle SRQ plus angle PRS, which is equal to 180 degrees. Now here from 1 and 2 we see that the angle. Now friends, here if you see that this angle PQR and this SQR both are the same things. So SQR, this angle SQR is equal to angle SRQ. So this PQR can be replaced as angle this PQR and SRQ are same, so it can be replaced as SRQ. So it will be SRQ plus this angle QPR, Now similarly if you see that this angle QPR is nothing but SPR, so this QPR is nothing but SPR, but that can be written as PRS. So that is equal to angle PRS plus angle SRQ plus angle PRS, which is equal to 180 degrees. Now here you see that angle SRQ plus SRQ, that will be twice of angle SRQ plus here it is angle PRS plus angle PRS, that will be twice of angle PRS, which is equal to 180 degree. So take out 2 as a common factor, so it will be angle SRQ plus angle PRS, which is equal to 180 degree. So 2 1s are 2, 2 90s are 180, and so which is equal to angle SRQ plus angle PRS, which is equal to 90 degree. Now look at the figure. This angle PRS and SRQ, these two angles, their sum is 90 degree, and therefore this angle PRQ is of 90 degree, and therefore this is a right angle triangle. So further we can write as angle P, what that angle will be, PRQ, which is equal to 90 degree, and therefore that triangle PQR is right angle triangle, and therefore applying the Pythagoras theorem we can prove that PQ square, which is equal to PR square plus QR square by Pythagoras theorem. Now friends, here is the question. If the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and out of the first 17 terms is of 289, then find the sum of the first n terms. Friends, it is given that the sum of the first 7 terms is 49, that is S7 is equal to 49, and the sum of the first 17 terms, that is S7, is given as 289, and you have to find the sum of the first n terms. So here we will solve that S7, which is equal to 49, this is given. So S7 is equal to 49. S7 can be written as n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So it will be 2a plus n minus 1, that is 7 minus 1, that is 6 into d, which is equal to 49. And friends, here n is 7, so put that value also. So it will be 7 by 2 into bracket 2a plus 6d, which is equal to 49. So it will be 7 1s are 7, 7 7s are 49. Take 2 to this side, so 2 7s are 14. So it will be 2a plus 6d, which is equal to 14. 2 7s are 14. Now divide by 2 throughout the equation. So it will be a plus 3d plus 2 7s are 14. Let this be equation number 1. Now here I solve this and get the second equation, that is S17, which is equal to 289. So S17, that is n by 2, that is 17 by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1, means 17 minus 1, so 16 into d, and that is equal to 289. Now this is 17, 17s are 289, then take 2 to this side, so 17s are 34, so it will be 2a plus 16d, which is equal to 34. Divide by 2 throughout the equation, so it will be a plus 2 8s are 16, 8d, which is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. And so let this equation be number 2. Now subtract equation 1 and 2. So if you subtract, the signs of this will get changed. So it will be a plus 3d, which is equal to 7, and a plus 8d, which is equal to 17. And if we subtract this, the signs will change, and so this will get cancelled, and you will get it as minus 5d, which is equal to minus 10, and therefore d is equal to 2. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So you have got the common difference, that is d is equal to 2. Put the value of d in either this first equation or the second equation, and you will get the value of a as a is equal to 1. So you get the value of a as 1 and d is equal to 2, and you have to find the value of Sn. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a, that is a is 1, so 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d is 2. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket, this is 2 1s are 2, multiply by 2 inside the bracket, so it will be plus 2n, and 2 1s are 2, that will be minus 2. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. You will get n by 2 into 2n, correct? So that will be 2 and 2 will also get cancelled, and which is equal to, you will get it as n square, and so Sn is equal to n square. Highlight this answer also. So here you have got the sum of the first n terms, that is equal to n square.